All right, guys, it's 8 o'clock, and we got freaking gaming to do. Live alerts got to go out, folks. Where are they? Bam, live alerts went out. All right. What is going on, guys? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Dude, we got excitement. We have DLC. Okay, Stevie 29 Stir. It's $5 worth of DLC. We're not talking about bosses, okay? There's no... Well, there we go, guys. Dude, I have not been more excited about a stream in a very long time. Very long time. And I was live. And I was live on time. Because I'm always live on time. And 1 minute into the stream, there was thunder and lightning and stuff outside. 1 minute into the stream, the freaking internet went out. It's a horrible, horrible thing. So I did a couple things. I started a hotspot on my phone, which actually is putting out pretty good. It might be... You guys can tell me if anyone comes in after everyone got their notifications already. You could tell me if anything going on. Unable to connect, try again later. Let's just do this again and hit that so that reconnects. That reconnects. Charlie, you offline on Twitch. This is Stevie. Yeah, dude, I'm offline on everything, brother. There's bad weather, man. But I made a hotspot on my phone and it's holding my upload speed plenty fine. It's just crazy. Like, do I really stream off a hotspot? How does it look, Stevie? Can you see me? Can you see me, brother? I need someone to say hello so I know. One viewer on Twitch. Dude, we got the... Oh, wait. I definitely want to... Yeah, that's offline. I want to go to quit game or something, right? Yeah, I think we restart the game to try and get into online mode. I got the DLC, guys. It's $5, okay? But hey, $5. I had to get off my wallet. I got the DLC. Pretty excited about it. Ooh, I guess I can't even look at from there. I can do it this way. I can do it this way and go to YouTube and look at my stream. YouTube, not YouTube Studio. I want your channel, bro. Your channel. Dude, this internet off my phone with the Wi-Fi, it actually isn't that bad, man. Invaders. It says it's a 1080. It doesn't look bad. Yeah. Okay. Continue. So I have heard that the Torrent skins, there he is. Dana's the man. Dinesh the man. How you doing, dude? Dude, my internet took a crap like right when I went live. Yeah. I was so excited about the stream. But dude, that's life though, man. When you really love what you're doing, and like I look forward to streaming. I look forward to hanging out with everybody and checking out the new stuff. And then it's like, oh, might not be able to do that tonight. That's freaking pretty crappy, bro. But I don't really let stuff get me down. Now, I heard one of them was in, like, one of the skins is in Altus somewhere. I feel like it was somewhere near here or something, but I really don't have any idea. Heck yeah, dude, it's crazy, man. But hey, you know what I did? Like I said, I got my phone, I made a hotspot. Who knows where the freaking where the Torrent skin is, bro? I want to try and find a Torrent skin. I also am hoping, I'm waiting for someone to come in. All my locals probably came in at 8 and saw that I was not live. Or I was not live, and they're like, huh. Or they came in and they saw the screen frozen or whatever. And they're like, yeah, okay, I guess Charlie's having internet problems. Is this where it is right here? No, Great Shield Talisman. Has anyone ever used that for anything, bro? I was told I can't get till tomorrow. Well, it might be your region or something. Are you in the United States? Where are you located, my brother? This is my question. Because I don't know. I don't know. I know that I have it. At least it says I have it. I know Scumnut has it. Warming Stone. Whoa, easy there, big guy. I have no idea where the freaking Torrent skins are, man. Herbert, how you doing, man? I have no idea where the Torrent skins are. Dude, I just Erdtree healed that freaking, that sheep. I feel like someone said it was like somewhere over here. But I have no idea where, though. Yeah, USA. Yeah, I'm in Texas. And I think it dropped today at 5 p.m. Central Time. Like 3 hours ago. Is the way I understand it. I got it. It said it's installed. Have I seen any proof that I have it yet? I don't think I have. I don't think I have seen any proof that I have it, other than it's saying it was installed or that it's active, right? Because there's skins for Torrent. Oh, well, one way to check is to make a new class. Problem is, Ripper, I need to delete a character, man. Can we do a panic trade over at Ella real quick? I think I'm just going to delete my bonk. He's level 360 something. He definitely needs to be euthanized. He's too old. And then I can try and make a new character. One of the new characters. The new classes. I thought there was a bridge over here. I guess it's... Which way am I pointing? Yeah, it's up here. Okay. How you doing tonight, Ripper? Good to see you, man. Ripper, I got the greatest wheel, dude. I got the wheel for the Invaders. You're eating. Okay, yeah. Take your time, brother. Take your time. I'm looking around for the freaking Torrent skins. I don't know where they are. If anyone knows, you can totally spoil it for me and tell me where the Torrent skins are. I remember someone said it was in Altus. And so I'm like looking kind of where I think maybe where they might have said it was near, but I think I'm getting further away from it. So I don't know. Oh no, I have to look. It's just a prelude. Real stuff tomorrow. I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm watching Scumnut. And he's got skins for Torrent. So I don't know how he has skins for Torrent. You know what I'm saying? Purchase. Anything new here? We're gonna buy that. I don't know this guy's gear. Cross tree tower shield, like that shield right there. These shields, I don't remember them, but I'm not a shield guy, right? So I don't know if there's anything new with that vendor. There definitely wasn't Torrent skins around here. think I saw him say like it was like over here somewhere or something. Let's go back here to Erdtree Gazing and hang hard. All right. I'm kicking my air in the nuts. F me. I'm never late for this. I know where one of the new NPC invasions is at. Ripper, that's cool. Do you know where any of the Torrent skins are? This is what I'm talking about. That's what I'm looking for. Oh, so maybe it's upstairs. You say, well, you have to go around because you can't go up. And then one time I was joking with Drew and I said, this is the Deluxe Ruin skip. You don't know this one? And then I freaking did it. I didn't even know what I did either. I just know I did it. Wait for it. Parkour is happening right now. That's not working, guys. But I think that's where I did it. Yo, holy smokes, I thought it was broken. It was broken. Charlie, my man. Bilbo Swaggins, dude. My freaking internet was broken for a minute. There we go. I just did it, guys. I just did the skip. Now I'm just looking for loot, trying to find a Torrent skin. Because I think it's somewhere in Altus. And what do you do except loot stuff? Oh my god, I almost died because of string, guys. I almost died looting string. I am on a hotspot on my freaking cell phone, brother. He's not coming, is he? What's in here, guys? You guys know? Sardo probably got... Oh, I see. He's probably doing a VPN from Japan. Guys, I don't think I can kill him. What's up, Billy? Okay, I'm going to try and get invaded because I don't want to click the invader thing. There's nothing else in here, right? I don't want to click the invader thing until we definitely have an actual invader. Running surprisingly well, I'd say. It's crazy, dude. Hotspot for my freaking phone. Yeah. No, it's sending it. Ritual Sword Talisman. Already had one. That's okay. Okay, well, the thing is definitely not here. We're just watching Aggie find the new weapons. Yeah. I mean, I do not expect to find this stuff organically. You know what I'm saying? I mean, it would take... The world's too big, man. It would take forever, right? Like, I saw Scumnut kind of look at his map and say, yeah, it was kind of like... I feel like he said over here somewhere, or no, wait, maybe it was over... Maybe it was over here somewhere. I don't remember. I'm going to try this one and head west. Use no cheat. Tell us, right. Exactly. I need to head east. Okay, can I go down? Can I go down right here, guys? Or we go east from here? Let me look at my map and see if this is looking right. Yeah, east and then right. But I got to go up and I can't go up. Wait. We have to check all loot, though, because... Yeah, let's go. If anyone knows where the freaking... where a Torrent skin is... Tell me. Billy, do you think they're using VPNs to get the like Japanese time or something for the release, or is it released? I think it's released. I believe it's released. The only way I could really check it. Could a guy get a spirit spring around here? This Grace is a joke, bro. Okay, I guess we'll try dropping down. We'll try dropping down. Can you drop down here? I don't know. I don't even know this Grace. I know this Grace. It is released. Yeah, that's what I thought. I really believed it. Golden. Oh my god, there's guys. Woo! This is Wormface, right? Pretty sure it's out on PC already. Console has to wait till midnight, I believe. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, okay, I know where I am. Now, the way he was talking, I just don't remember where it is. I've got it. If you're talking about Tarnished Edition, Idis Knight set weapon is at the merchant near Bellum Highway in Liurnia. There you go. And I think there's actually supposed to be new stuff at Roundtable, right? I mean, I have no idea where this is. Lord Valinar, do you know? What grace is this? What grace is this, guys? I never get this grace. What's it called? It's the lost grace that no one ever goes to. Bower of Bounty. Is that a new grace? I mean, no. I doubt there's a new grace, but I'm telling you, what is this grace? Like, I just don't. I never get that grace, bro. That's not my jam. Stormwell Castle, throne room area, throne room. Stormvale Castle. What is the throne room? Oh, I remember this area. Yeah, this is an area where you like got to get the the secret thing or something, huh? Let's go check out the round table, and then we'll go to Stormvale throne room. I don't. I think the hags might have no stuff. All I know is that GTA is looking good. I watched a whole bunch of that trailer. It looked pretty good. After the boss. Oh, okay. Yeah. Got you. Offer. Offer, bell bearing. Offer. Okay, get all that crap out of my thing. Purchase. Okay, is there anything for sale that we don't recognize? Is there a weapon? See, I don't know every damn weapon. I'm of mixed thoughts on Warlock, though. The D&D game coming out in 2027. Yeah, I don't know either, man. He said something about there's backhand blades, and I thought he said you could buy them at the round table. Which... Let me see over here. I think they might not be the same exact backhand blades that we're familiar with. I have yet to see anything that makes me believe... But I mean, I paid for it, and it says it's there, and I know it's released, so there you go. Champions. There's nothing there, dude. It's all the same old shit. One way, if I delete a character, I'll know if there's a new class. Oh, Stormvale Throne Room. Got you. Stormvale Throne Room. Godric the Grafted. All right, we're going to the throne room, guys. So, this way. Thank you, brother. Is there any reason not to kill Gostock? Because it's so satisfying. In one of the nearby rooms in a chest. Okay, so it's not in the actual room de la throne. It's in a chest. One of the nearby rooms. Is it near the grape? I don't see a chest. Only reason not to is if you're doing the quest with Nepheli and Kenneth, so you can get an ancient dragon smithing stone. Ah, okay. Right after Godric Throne. I mean, okay, maybe I looked in the throne room. I was looking for loot, and I wasn't looking. We're going back, because I haven't seen it, guys. Thank God for ladders. I mean, I could port back, right? Okay. Oh, am I in online mode, though? Yeah, I am. I am in online mode. Okay. Wait. Did I really look for a chest here really good, though? In one of the there's no nearby rooms. There's just this path. But this is the throne room right here after Godric, right? Praise the message. And behold something incredible. Okay. There's the throne. Oh, I didn't know you could go this way. I didn't even know you could go this way. There's no way. There's no way, guys. You guys ready? I never knew that. Spectral Seed Regalia Tree Sentinel. I'm gonna guess that's it, guys. Is there one in Liurnia? Where's the one in Liurnia, guys? If you need assurance behind the Great Jar where you fight the 3 NPCs, the door should be able to be open for the thrusting shield. The jar and the 3 NPCs. Okay, he looks... I don't really know what Torrent looks like, but I'm going to say he looks the same. Do we have to sit at the Grace? There's one at Randy's Rise. Spectral Seed's appearance has now been changed. There's no way. After all these years, 3,200 hours, and I got a horse. Yeah, everyone wants Knight's Cav. Where you get Great Jar Arsenal Talisman. Great Jar Arsenal Talisman. You mean Alexander's... The Shard of Alexander? Great Jar Arsenal... Oh, that one! The 3 NPCs! I know what you're talking about now. Okay. Behind the Great Jar, if at the 3 NPCs, the door should be able to be opened for the thrusting shield. Okay, go. We'll go get that too. I remember now. Dude, I forgot what he's talking about. I'm like, Great Jar. You're talking about Alexander. No, I was way off. Okay, someone said something about Randy's Rise. Dude, me and Randy got it like that. So I'm going to go check Randy's Rise. See what we get there. Daniel-san, what is your missions? Dude. Oh, wait, here. I'm going to put... But see, I don't have anyone here yet. In Kaled, access from Seofa River. Stone Sword Key. Lift. I can just run there, right? From, I just run there from the place. I just run there from the place. Celia Crystal Tunnel. I go out and turn right, and then I make it right up the alley. Is that not it? Okay. I might be wrong. Seofa River. Oh, wait. What's here? What's here? What is it? There's no way. Spectral Steed Regalia Carrion Silver. Guys, we're picking it all up, folks. This is great. This is freaking great. This place is freaking awesome. Okay, that's good. Someone said, oh yeah, the Kaled. I don't think we've done Seofa River on this. We have. Oh, no, I haven't. This was all Nokron stuff. So I need then to go to Ooh Baby When You Talk Like That. So I can get to the thing. I want to go to the thing, right? The thing I saw on the map years ago for the first time. I'm like, I wonder what's there. And now I can't see it. Oh, it's right there. It's right there. It's right there. So we got to go there. We got to run across the freaking map. Hit the Stone Sword Key, which I think I have one. It's blocked off by roots. Okay, yeah, but I have fire. Inventory. I have one. I have one. Dude, is it going to take 2 Stone Sword Keys, though, or just 1? This way. You need 2 stone... Are you freaking serious? You need 2 Stone Sword Keys? I have 1. There's stone sword keys in Siofra? Where? I'm on a mission now. Dude, I haven't dropped a single frame on my freaking... on my phone's Wi-Fi. That is insane. I have got, at some point, we have got to do something with the guys. Because we have... the wheel has been created, guys. The wheel has been created. And when we get invaded, we spin the wheel, and the wheel will tell us if we are going to 1v1 the invader, honorably. If I'm going to let, or if we're just going to 2 guys fight him at once and the 3rd guy watches. Or if it's going to be a full-blown gank fest. And I want to come up with some other ideas for the wheel. On what to do with invaders. Yeah, Bilbo says 1, but you sound pretty confident, Lord Valen. Are you sure it's 2? Did you like do it today or something? Or you just remember? 1 is at the Spirit Spring on the ruined bridge next to where you would have talked to Blade on the quest before Radon Festival, if that helps. Southeastern portion of the map. Up the Spirit Spring. There's a Spirit Spring in Siofra River. Trying to remember. I'm trying to remember. Pepperidge Farm remembers. Spirit Spring. It's a Spirit Spring. I run the sofa route every time in my game. There's at least 2. I love that about you, that you know that. Whoa. That looks like it might have been a map frag or something. Okay. Well, the thing is, I can't put down the freaking, naughty tongue if there ain't nobody here to freaking kill stuff with, because that's no fun. And spinning the wheel will be useless. Shares of the 8 torches, the boss arena around that area, and those Smurf archers. Is a spirit. Oh, I remember the Spirit Spring now. You're right. You're right. I remember it. Use it to jump up and jump across. I remember now. Yeah, you use it to get to the spot far away or up high or something. And you think that it's you're saying it's quite possible there's one over near that Spirit Spring? That's pretty close. Oh god, I got with some freaking crab eggs. This is not a map frag, bro. It's not a light. There's a grace up here though. You can also get a Ghost Glove Ward 3 there. Where I usually go on my route for the +5 summon. Nice. He may be right. It's been quite a long time since I've had to open that lift personally. Yeah. Well, to be honest, I feel like there's 1,000,000% a way to get to the Great Jar's Arsenal without going through this thing. I thought you just run to it. Like the Spirit Spring's over here somewhere, right? I don't see it. I get the map. What's up, Scorn? How you doing, brother? Dude, we already got 2 Torrent skins. Do you have to get the skins for every character? I'm sure you do, right? Oh my god. This is the only way to get there unless speedrunners know of another path. So you're telling me every freaking time, because I've gotten that Great Jar's Arsenal a few times. Okay, here's the Spirit Spring. Do I have to take it across like to the over here, and there's going to be a thing over here? The Stone Sword Key? East behind that wall, he said. You got the new greatsword. No, I got nothing, man. I got 2 behind that wall. Yep, and go to the end of the path. All right, well, I'm really bad at parkouring, so let's see if we can pull this off, folks. Like, I don't know if I'm supposed to just jump here. See? That didn't work. I should have gone slower. I should have looked. I thought for sure I could make it. I got the grace, guys. I know exactly where I'm going. There's one archer. I'll get past him. It's only 200,000 runes, and I'm not trying to level this character anymore. Keep going east. Josh, I want to delete another character. I think I'm going to delete my big bonk build. He's level 300 something. We need to euthanize him. He's a great annoyer because he's taking up a freaking slot of my life. What the WTF, bro? Oh my god. There we go. Okay, it was right here somewhere? Yeah. Okay, is my money back here? No. It's not here. Show me the money. Oh yeah, it's gonna be right there. It's gonna be right there. Some guy said your runes appear where you were 3 seconds ago. Does anyone believe this? Someone said that in chat. At the end, turn around, stone sword key, then port back, or on your way back. Be on your left that time. Well, you said go to the end, right? So that's kind of what I'm trying to do here. This is... Whoa. Got it. Okay, now I can just port back to the Grace and run across the map, duck a couple of... Man, I got a kink in my neck, bro. Why? Daniel says they're having a backgammon game at a local bar. I haven't played much, though. Wondering if I should go. It's probably going to be gambling. It's probably going to be drinking. If you're not prepared to win, I would say save your money. If you're not in shape, if you're not going and expecting to beat these fools, then don't go gamble with them. Weapon in the wooden structure on the way. Over here. The one you got to drop down on? Or is it the one the blue ball is going to shoot me? Well, that wasn't it. No! I'm like, where's the ladder? I went right past it. Backgammon is pretty cool. Dude, I've never... Oh, God. Dude, I was so afraid that guy was going to whack me, bro. Is it the one I got to drop down on over here, Billy? Yeah. Oh, my God. Dude, I knocked him off with my fist, bro. Come on up to me, buddy. I'll try to nudge him off the edge, like... Oh, my God. Oh, there. It's over there. There we go. I've got like 85% of casino plugin done for RPG Maker. Was 100% until I decided to add UI elements. I have no idea what you just said, dude. Like, that is... like, it's like you just literally spoke Chinese to me. 85% of casino plugin for RPG Maker. I don't know what that is. I want to know, but I don't know. Drop down. Programming, he says. Is it here? But there was already loot here. Smithing stone 3. Okay, wooden structure. I just checked that wooden structure. Is it through... Billy, was it through the wooden structure? RPG Maker MZ is a game engine. Plugin is a script to add or modify stuff. Okay, yeah, I didn't know what RPG Maker was. I think I checked that whole area, bro. I don't think there's anything there. I think that was a scam. I think someone scammed you, brother. Aggie was just getting the stone. There you go. There you go. And I would be running all over the place without my proper number of stone sword keys. Unless you guys warned me. Dude, I haven't made this running forever, bro. This became like so not part of my run anymore. You know what I mean? And these archers, wow, they can ruin your weekend. Thankfully, I still got a few bucks left from the GTA 6 giveaway. Since my friend gave me $125 and the GTA 6 pre-order was $106. Really? So he didn't buy you the game. He gave you $125 to buy the game, and you went ahead and bought the game, and you got money left over. Don't they usually shoot you right about here? Bam. I get the clarifying charm, guys. It didn't ask for 2. Thankfully, I won't show for all the time. Dude, it did help, but it didn't say 2 stone sword keys. It didn't say it. One sec. Right, the elevator. So sorry, guys. I have no idea what it is. I didn't really, dude, you got to understand how much I prepped for the stream today and how excited I was about the stream. And I believe you. You're right. Yeah, there's no way here. And then when I went live, my internet went out, right? And so I had to get that fixed, but I was pretty bummed out, but like I didn't get mad, I didn't get tense. Dude, I got this, all of a sudden I got this kink in my neck. I'm like a little baby. So I took some, Advil. And hopefully that goes away. There's a smithing, a somber 5 up here or something, isn't there, guys? Just keep running. No, see, I'm thinking of a different place. That's what I'm thinking of. I'm thinking of a different alley that you run up. Go ahead, buddy. Okay, you got your shot off. There's a stone sword key to the left of exiting that elevator. Really? Okay. Oh my god. I got lucky there, bro. These guys, are these guys the only guys that drop like the Golem Great Bow or whatever? Am I gonna get invaded or do I have to click to get invaded? And so this door up here that never opened before is now gonna open? I'm always scared of taking painkillers, probably because of the squirrels. Yeah, you definitely want to be aware of those type of interactions. It's not really interaction, but like it can do like liver damage and stuff, right? Yeah, exactly. Funeral Night Torrent looks awesome. I don't know. I got the second one, but I don't know if I got Funeral Night. Ritual Thrusting Shield. Is that it, guys? They opened up a door. Was this room done? I bet this room was done. They just decided not to use it, and they're like, whoa. Huh. Okay, I got the Ritual Thrusting Sword. Where, you know where to get the Funeral Night. Let's go. Ripper, lead me. Where is the Funeral Night? What grace do we go to? One thing of great about this run is this is the helper. And that... Whoa. Should I do the invasion, guys, while I'm here? No, you can't, though. I don't even think it's there. Can I do the cheese, guys? You guys remember the cheese? Did they fix it? Was it like right here or something? Permit merchant shack near Capital. Is that the one, God, I can't get out of freaking combat, bro. Do I quit out? Maybe if I go further away and go behind him or something? We'll go in here and chill. Scorn says, yeah, I got a few. Wait. Okay. I'm diving into the Tarnished Edition and playing one of the new classes. Dude, I need somebody to meet me at Church of Ella and let me just drop off a bunch of, what do you call them? Valuables. Just so they don't get deleted for nowhere. And you could give them to me later. I just want to... Okay, let's try now. Okay, we can port out here. Hermit Merchant Shack. That's like, right here? It's like over here somewhere, right? But would it be on the... Where... Did you say an Altus? Yeah. That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah, so go up the stairs and turn left or something, right? Or am I doing this wrong? Is it over here somewhere where you... Forest spanning bridge, no. I guess this guy doesn't have it. Correct, yeah, that is right. Okay, good. This is correct. And then I run up the stairs and I make a hard left. Yeah. There we go. Okay. And does is it just there like in a thing? Dude, you know what? Somebody was talking a long time ago about skins for Torrent. I think it'd be really cool if they gave some skins for Torrent. I'm like, dude, like, the things that are important to some people. You know what I mean? Like, that, I think that's awesome. I mean, maybe he's already good at the game. Like, I'm still trying to freaking, you know, dodge attacks over here. You know what I mean? Like I was not really that worried. It's never something I would think about. Like chess, playing variations of chess. I want to play regular chess because I want to get good at it. I don't want to spend a bunch of time doing, playing non-versions of chess. Or alternate guitar tunings. It's like, I don't want to... It's hard enough to learn how to play normal guitar. Why do I want to freaking learn how to play a different tuning that I'm probably never going to use? Why would I spend time on that? But I gotta tell you, I think I understood the idea behind it, and I like them now. Okay, Herbert, love you, brother. So where? You said the Hermit Merchant Shack.
Something else?
Yeah, where's the freaking purchase? I can't buy it from him. Guide us, Ripper. Should I just kill him? Ripper says, summon me. I'll summon you at the Grace, brother, where you belong. Putting that down. Putting this down. We're at the Hermit Merchant Shack, Josh, if you want to come in case we get invaded. Because I do have the spinner, guys. And when we get invaded, I'm going to hit the button. And the spinner is going to choose what we do to the invader. There are 3 choices. 1v1, the honorable way. 2v1, not quite as bad as a full-blown gank. And the third option is a full-blown 3-man delete the guy gank. But I want to add more ideas to randomize. My password's on, right? I want to put more ideas to randomize more things that we could do to the freaking invaders. Scorn says, I think I'll play through all of the game until Malekith, then I'll do DLC until 11 when the pack releases where I'm at. Oh, you have to put the red finger down. Oh, I can't summon you guys here. Ah, I can't summon you guys here for PvP. I get it. Or PvE for you guys to help me. Get to work. Ibuprofen. Get to work. Ibuprofen. Loosen me up. What was that? Whoa. What was that? Ah. So weird. Because Mouth gets blocks one of the sets of armor. Huh. Yeah, Ripper, did you see what he said? He said that I probably can't summon you here, therefore you gotta use the... There we go. Got it. So this one is the cool one, but it's in a secret place. You think I can't parkour and find it myself, brother? Whoa. It's not over there. Didn't realize there was a pack dropping. Dude, I'll be honest. I'd been hearing about it, but I didn't think it was dropping today. So Lord, okay, Lord Valinor was looking for it too, huh? Gotcha. We got aggro from a freaking quick, Charlie. It's an invader. Attack! No kidding. That guy's shooting poo at us. Okay, so that's the grace. But it doesn't mean it's anywhere near the grace. Poor Valinor. Valinor, are you following us? Are you following us? Valinor wants it too. Does anyone know where is the cracked tier where the trolls are around Stormbell Castle? Antoine. I don't know. Spectral speed. You get that? Yeah, pretty much just run the direction. All right, you ready? Okay, I'm going to show you guys the thing, okay? Now, imagine Ripper was a real invader. And, like, Drew and Josh were here. Okay? Here's what I would do. I hit the button. Huh. It worked before. Control, Alt, G? Huh. It stopped working. I wonder if it's because maybe the internet went out or something? Give me 1 second, Ripper. Give me 1 second. Let me... Wait. What am I looking for? I'm looking for... Okay, I'm going here. I'm going to art. I'm going to overlays. I'm going to invader wheel. And I'm going to start invader wheel. Yes. Okay. And then let me see if that does it now. No. It's so crazy. I was just showing Courtney this freaking awesome freaking wheel I made. Well, live and learn. Forget the wheel. I just gotta fight Ripper. I have other ideas to try and make this wheel work. Oh wait, start invader wheel, and then wait. Let me go here and go to wheel title. Oh, start invader wheel here. Oh. Okay, wait for it. I couldn't even see. It didn't show, did it? No. Okay, stop invader wheel. Do that. And then start Invader wheel. And then spin Invader wheel. Yeah, yeah. Oh well. Hey man, it's a lot of moving parts, folks. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Did Ripper leave already? He didn't want to fight me? Oh man. Did he jump off the cliff or something? Also, does anyone know if the Lance Talisman... Oh, there he is. All right, Ripper, you ready? I'm buffing up, brother. All right, here we go, guys. Wish me luck. He's got a pretty serious bonk on him. Oh boy. No wonder everyone dies. No wonder everyone dies when they fight Ripper. Oh God. So you're saying there's a follow-up. So you're saying there's a follow-up. Oh my God, why did I stand there for that, guys? Oh my God, you can do 3 in a row? No, I can't do that! I'm dead. He missed! He whipped! He whipped! How did he whip? Why do I stand around for any of these? I should never trade with him. I should never trade with him. He hits too hard. Good game, Ripper. Oh, man. You think I'm not proud of beating Ripper? Ripper's tough, guys. This is my era. Which king of Angmar? Oh crap, you're fighting Ripper. That was fun. Good game. Good game. So, okay, so I have all 3 Torrent things. There was, okay, I already went the thing in K-Lid. I got the shield. Lord Valiant, a lot of people do go over there. It is for the physics since early game. I am looking for it. Oh, and someone said something about oh no, we already went to Stormvale. So do I have all the new DLC stuff now, guys? Now, so now, can somebody meet me at, what do you call it? And we can make a what do you call it? I can delete a 300 and something level character. Oh wait, well let's go check out the cool one that Ripper told us about. There's an NPC in Radon's boss room. Radon. Consort Radon? There's a carrion skin in Randy. Didn't I go to Randy's Rise or did I not do that? Well, I mean... Okay, let's see. Here we go. Change appearance. funeral night. All right, guys. It worked! Why did it just happen now, though? Dude, when we get invaded, I hit the button. I hit the button. I just hit the button. Let me see. Control Alt G. I don't understand why it just spun right there. That was random. Hey, Lefty with the 100. Mostly just checking in. Always glad to see you still working.
Just checking and always glad to see you. Still working on my chess game.
We'll all always be working on our chess game. Yeah, that looks really, really cool. And with the right clothes on, because this look doesn't really match that horse. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, Lefty, for the 100 bits, brother. Seems like wants to come up. Dude, it just came up randomly. Did you see that? But that was it, guys. That was it. But dude, I kept showing Courtney. I'm like, I just want to keep pressing the button. I just want to keep. She'll do it. And I was, it was like, oh, that was full gank. Oh, that was a 1v1. And it was working perfect. And then, of course, it might have something to do with going offline and coming back on, but I don't think so. It should be totally in-house. It should work offline. Oh, I know what to do. I think. I go to this one, and I say a refresh cache. Okay, and then I go to this one, and I say a refresh at a cache. I refresh at a cache, you refresh at a cache. I just refreshed the cache. Okay, now it's gonna work. Watch this shit. Control Alt G was a hotkey. No. Okay. Believe me. Hey, you guys saw it. And it was working great. It's gonna take more testing. But I already tested it. Yeah, dude, the mount looks cool, huh? Down to Ella. Josh, thank you so much, brother. So are any of the new classes cool? Are they something that you like want to do? Well, look at the stats. Are there any new weapons that go well with any of the new classes? You know what I'm saying? Dude, I'll tell you, that kink in my neck is still there, but you know what? It feels better. We got to go to the guy named Bling. He's Bling level 315, guys. Ain't nobody got time for level 315. He's dead. He's dead to me. He's my big bonk build. Dude, I have other strength builds I can play with. I like the Idus Knight armor, but as an arcane aficionado, I don't like that it is 6 arcane starting. Oh, that doesn't work good for you, huh? Is this guy... My fire giant's dead, right? Dude, how cool would that be if I walked in here and there was a fire giant? I'd be like, hey, let's kill my fire giant. Okay, Ella. I don't have Ella. Looks like we're riding from the first step. I'll be there in a minute. Oh, the kink is real, bro. Only just question while you're playing is playing against yourself at all useful? It can be, absolutely. It can be. I think Bobby Fischer used to do that because he didn't have anyone to play with. You know what I mean? So yeah. Can I get my loot? There we go. Okay, I put the sign down and I will summon Josh. I'm gonna leave just the essentials. Ooh, couple of guys here. I got one of them. There we go. Naughty tongue going down. Now, here's the trick I learned a long time ago. Don't give him your talisman and your freaking hammers while you're trading stuff. Because then we get invaded and I have a freaking, I don't have a thing. You know what I mean? I wonder what triggered that thing. Can I do it like this and make it pop? No. Oh yeah, we're not gonna get invaded because I'm too high level anyway. Let me just start dropping stuff. Inventory. Leave. Yes. Leave. Yes. Leave. Yes. What do we got here? 99 rune arcs on this guy, man. Oh, 41 Trina's lilies. Leave. Yes. Oh, I thought I saw a Aeonian butterfly or something. Okay, wait for it. Yeah, no, there's not a whole bunch more left there. Oh, but here, okay. I don't need all this stuff back. I'm just looking at stuff that people use and stuff that like big stacks. Oh, here we go. We get some money here. Leave. Yes. Leave. Yes. Leave. 2. Leave. Leave. Okay, and then oh, flowers. Yeah. This is good stuff right here, guys. Well, it's not flowers, it's crafting materials, I think. Oh my god, dude, 39 arteria leaves. Doesn't Drew like those? Isn't that Drew's favorite thing? 39 arteria leaves? How did I even have those? What is the other thing that I'm thinking of that oh, the Aeolian butterfly. Oh, here. There we go. Leave. Those are the things Drew likes, guys. Okay, and then we're not getting invaded, huh? Isn't it crazy how when we're low level, guys, we get invaded all the time, and now we don't get invaded? Okay, so now I'm going to go equipment. Remove. I'm not going to take any of that crap. Remove. Okay. And like the claw talisman, you can just grab when you need it. So I don't need to drop that, right? Like, inventorio. But, oh, whoa. Here we go. Leave, yes. Leave, yes. Couple two-headed turtles. Dude, this one, Great Jar's Arsenal. That's an important one, dude. You know what I'm saying? Cause that was not easy to get, bro. That one just don't hang around. Braid is like not even that big of a deal anymore. 200 talisman, it's just DLC stuff. Invaded. Let me see if I have some hammer or something leveled up, but I probably don't, or a sword or something. Dude, we could have used the freaking spin thing. It didn't freaking work. You're level 606 right now. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, I'm deleting this. Okay, I think I gave you all the big stuff, man. Wait. Let me check my talisman. I don't think I checked it. Oh, did you cut? I think he cut. No, he didn't cut. I want to check him one more time because I feel like, wait, like what if there's like a... a magic scorpion charm is kind of a hassle to get, right? But I'm not going to have it, but we're going to look. I got a fire scorpion, but that you just go get, right? You don't have to do like a stupid quest for it or anything. This one here, definitely, right? I mean, you know, the Godfrey icon you can just go grab. I think that's good enough, man. That's good enough, Josh. And you can give me back whatever you remember, and whatever you don't, it's fine. I just don't want to delete it all. Because I'm going to delete this mother effer right now. Dude, I did the Ash, bro. And freaking spun around on that guy. That's what I'm saying, Lord Valinard. That's why I wanted to be sure I wasn't deleting a magic talisman. You know what I mean? A magic, yeah, you know. Okay. System. Quit game, yes. I'm deleting this character. We're going to make a new one, guys. Only one in your inventory that's a pain would be the Rotten Ring and Sword. Oh, did I have a Rotten Ring and Sword too? Yeah, I think I have enough of those on all of my successive attack builds. But you're right. That's one I totally would have dropped. But I'm telling you, man. You know what? Worst case scenario, if I ever need to get one, I would go get one, and the journey would be fun. New game. Delete a character. Blangarella, number 315. Play puzzles. Lefty says I have a board going that I play maybe every day or so I forget what I was doing. Ah, okay. The better you get at chess, the more you play, you'll remember what's on the board, and you'll think about it when the board's not in front of you. Bandit, astrologer. Wow. Itis Knight and Heavy Knight. Heavy Knight sounds like it's going to be pretty good because it sounds like it's going to be a strength thing. And I did just hand off a bunch of strength stuff. Right? Yeah. Itis Knight or Heavy Knight? What do you guys think we should do? I think because... oh, no. Josh can't hand me those bonks back anyway. But I can get them when I get level 10. But Josh can't hand me the bonks back yet. But I can get them later. You know what I'm saying? Let's try it, Scorn. Yeah, I love it, Scorn. Scorn's on my page, guys. Type B. None entered. What do we call this guy? We're going to call him C. Sardo Gaming. For when we get invaded. Age, young. Keepsake. Okay, hit that. They'll let you call multiple characters the same name. That's crazy. I guess we just take the golden seed, right? I mean, you would think after all these years, none of it would matter. And I think it doesn't. And that's why I'm stuck on which one to do. Oh, I didn't drop the bonks? That's okay. I can't use them anyway. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. That's hilarious, though. I did forget to drop the bonks. Caleb, how you doing, brother? Caleb, look what we have. We have a Heavy Knight. And he's fat rolling right out of the gate. Wow. I wonder if he's tanky. I wonder if he's a tanky mother effer. We're fixing to find out. Should I take something off so I can roll? 77 poise. Okay, so I'm just supposed to stand there and go with it, huh? Oh, man. Okay. We'll see if we can take this guy out. I have no heals, guys. He should have died one hit, though. Dude, Caleb, the freaking wheel thing is broken, man. I literally want to take some time to make it happen. I had it. I was showing it off to Courtney. I was like, look at the wheel thing. It's so much fun. I got a freaking cool hotkey on my Steam Deck for it with a skull on it. It just was working at will. It was working at will, Will. It was firing at will. Okay. Dude, do you guys ever feel like sometimes your file manager icon is at the bottom of your taskbar, like it's pinned, and then other times it's not? File Explorer.
Fortune is
It's like, why? Stream kit, art, overlays, invader wheel, stop invader wheel. Okay, and then I come back here, and I'm trying to reset it right now. Stop invader wheel. Okay.
Even if it does violate the goals.
Good thing we got a cutscene, because it's buying me time. Okay, now I'm gonna say start invader wheel, and I'm gonna say, dude, I was so proud of the wheel, bro. Start invader wheel. Okay. Open wheel control. Did that show on it did, it showed right there. Okay, now let me see if it works on my with my hotkey. It's not. Okay, control G. Try that. Okay, so maybe I get it. Maybe I have to do the thing. Install control alt G hotkey. Okay. I think I fixed it, guys. But I don't understand why it wasn't working on command. Still no. But that's okay, because I can do it from here. We get invaded. We click the happy button. And we get... And then we just have to freaking do with what the wheel says. Now, the wheel will be in better shape, guys, okay? I promise. But it totally works now. This is a workaround, but it works. But what I want to do is I want more topics. Because we have, as you'll see, we have 1v1, 2v2, and a full gank. So if you can think of any other fun things that we can add to the wheel. Drew was saying like maybe tag team. That could be fun, right? Like one guy goes in for a set amount of time and then runs out, and the other guy goes in. You know, something like that could be good, right? I think that's a pretty good idea, actually. You just got the invasion in Radon's boss room. When you say Radon's boss room, you speak in consorts. Are you talking about consort? Steve, yeah, dude. You were here at the very beginning, and then my internet freaking blew out. I literally set up a hotspot on my phone. Trey! Trey's here? I don't see Trey. Okay, so literally just because that's fully outdoors, that doesn't mean that it's not a boss room. I so don't look at... I would call that like his arena or something. When you say boss room, I'm thinking a room. I'm thinking... Yeah. That's just me, because I'm wrong. Dude, it's not that bad, man. We're gaming. So, what do? You just go to Radon's thing, and then you... If you get invaded, then you kill the invader and you get something. Dude, this guy's born fat rolling. I mean, oh, you can hand me a wait, no, not two-handed turtle. A Great Jar's Arsenal. You can hand me a Great Jar's Arsenal, Josh. There's no way. I'll never fat roll again, dude. I'm gonna be light rolling in a matter of minutes. Do I have talisman slots at all? Do I even own a talisman slot? I gotta get the thing. One's all I need, brother. One is all I need. You could hand me a couple of those talisman if you see them, Josh. Anything that would fit with this guy. I gotta buy my crafting kit. I gotta set my password, and then Josh is gonna hook me the F up. And then I think I should just skip like right to Liurnia and just go to the cave and get the bell bearing for the like the ones and the twos. You know what I'm saying? You guys want to do that? Or we could just start moving forward in the game, but it's gonna be hard to get weapon leveled. Purchase. Oh no, I gotta sell first. Whoa. He's... Purchase. This. Okay, now I just have to... Oh, I gotta set multiplayer, and then I gotta go grab a couple flyers. Yeah, nice doing business with you, Santa Claus, man. Oh, wait, here first. And then multiplayer F. Guys, a secret password. Don't read this. Donuts. You know why? Because everybody likes donuts. If you don't like donuts, I got nothing for you. Let me pick a flower. Don't I need 2 flowers now? I should probably just run over, get the horse, port back, right? Because I'm already running this far. Can I even kill this guy? I guess I can. Wasn't there a flower over here somewhere I missed? Huh. There it is. Always steal the kukris, guys, until you have max kukris. I didn't... You know what's funny? I didn't even look at this guy's stats, and we should look at his stats so we kind of know what we're dealing with here. Should I make an item tonight to come join y'all? You can if you want to, brother. You just rode around on Torrent in Radon's boss area until I got the invasion. Cool. I could do that on Helper. Yeah, I got enough to get summoned now, or to summon Josh now, and get myself a couple of talisman. Maybe a little bit of walking around money. You know what I'm saying, Josh? Couple of them roonies. Whatever you think I left you, if they stacked with any of your stuff, don't worry about it. I'm not. You know me. I'm not concerned with details. I might get pissy over Magic Scorpion Charm because, you know, then I have to deal with Celivis. You know, other than that, you know me. Except, there we go. She bequeathed me a ring. There you go. Yep. You're oh, flasks. Okay. Now I'm coming back to Ella. Oh, wait. What I should do is rest and run back and pick up the flowers. Here we go. Oh, I got to do item crafting first. Item crafting. This. I can already make 1. There we go. Here, switch. That one. Okay. Here, switch. Horsey boy. Okay. I think that's good for now. That's all this guy's going to be doing. Keanu Reeves up in this joint. You seem pumped up. Who's pumped up? Me? I'm having fun. I'm gaming, bro. If I seem pumped up, it's because I'm freaking gaming. Okay. Is that all of them? There it is. There's one over here by the door. And if I just loot them as we go, I should have enough to stay ahead of the game. Whoa. Come on. Oh, I should have done a golden scarab too. I didn't see one though. Probably had one. Not sure. What am I doing here? We're gonna summon Josh. He's gonna drop me some lootsies. This is fun. Antoine says Just one. Just one. Oh, he's there. Josh is coming in, folks. Keanu Reeves up in this joint. Give me that thing quick. Give me that Char's Arsenal. I can't take it, Josh. There's no way. You give me something else. Two-headed turtle. Good. Great Jar's Arsenal. Shard from Alexander. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, there's some of that money. There we go. Okay, now we can go kill some bosses. Oh, I have to go kill the invader in the round table though, huh? Thank you, brother. Equipment Oreo, put this on. Now watch me, watch me. Why? Dude, it still makes me fat roll. Like, do I just need more endurance? Well, my character is brand new, brother. So, I mean, you don't need to be any level to catch up to me. This guy, what is his stats here? 14 Vig, 8 Mind, 17 Endurance, 15 Strength, 11 Dexterity. We're just going to put a bunch of points in Endurance to see what happens. Right? I can sell to this guy, right? Yeah, I'm gonna sell stuff, dude. I need points. 4 of these for 35K. That's a lot of money, dude. That's a lot of DLC freaking money right there, bro. It wasn't really DLC. Gonna go grab Torrent then. Okay. Level up. Oh my god. Runes needed 829. I can go like endurance to 30. I can go strength to 20, vigor to 20. I still have a crap load left. I don't need mind. I'm guessing this sword, I didn't check it. I'm assuming, yeah, because, well, there is some points in dex. I don't know why. I actually should cancel, leave, and I should look at my weapon. Strength D, Dex D. Yeah. So I can put points in both. Probably just keep going Dex though, huh? I mean, strength, it should be the same, right? Oh, up to a certain point, I guess, though. Up to a certain point. Oh, I guess I could also wait. Because I'm leveling up, I'm not respecking, right? Now let's see if I can roll. There we go. What, because your equip load is too close to the max, level up probably 10 to 20 levels should fix that in endurance. Yeah, that's what I did, Caleb. It's done, brother. It's done. I'm medium load now. And I'm level 34. So I'm ready to go. I'm ready to move on to freaking the first boss. Should I like go do... My weapon is level 1, but we don't have to worry about that right now because we can just go ahead and kill Morgan and Godfrey and then head... Whoa. And then head to the 1-2 bell bearing. You know, are you guys feeling me on that idea? Is that the plan? Is this a million? Did I just miss? I think I just passed a flower, guys. Been really loving these Invader streams, Charlie. Dude, Seth, we're going to get some Invaders right now. Oh, wait, I have to go to the round table and kill that thing. Will he scale with me? Can I kill him, guys? Is it going to be hard? It's gonna be hard, huh? I gotta go get the naughty guys. We have to do it. Oh, I can't go. I gotta kill Margaret first or something. Oh, I can't go to round table yet. I don't own round table. Gonna slap early game. Not bad, not bad. I'm not going way overpowered, but we're playing this night. I'll keep him nice and low level. It'll be fun too because we might get invaded by low level people. If I stay like level 35 and don't level my weapon up too much for a few bosses. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Can't you just crash through that thing? Huh. I'm dumb. I thought I could crash through it, brother. It's a complaint. Complete. Okay, well, since we're, you know, doing this, I guess at this point, every smithing stone counts, right? So just grab it. Every time you pick up a mushroom or a Trina's lily, a baby godskin cries, guys. And that sounds horrible, but it's actually a really good thing. Because godskins are bad. Godskins are bad. We got nothing to do with the godskins, guys. We want nothing to do with the godskins. Definitely need the stone sword key, guys. I keep needing them all the time. Okay. We don't need to talk to Jellyfish Lady. Let's just get up here. Pick a few flowers on the way, folks. Get the mushrooms, guys, because we're going to be ready for the godskin duel when we finally get there in about an hour and a half. You guys want to just do a playthrough tonight, guys? I mean, we can. Whoa. You guys might be doing some carrying, but yeah, you know. Lord Valinar, you play on PC, right? You have our password, our very secret password? Not the middle only side once you crash through. The middle, I didn't know, dude. I just, I'm like, don't I just always run right through this? Whoa. I feel like I have an idea. Flasks. There we go. Add a charge. And then... Why am I talking? Is she going to take me to round table?
This tiny golden orb is light, but now...
Or is she just talking jib? I think she's talking gibberish. Oh, wait. Maybe not. Here's what I'm going to do, though. Because I can. We're going to port back. And I'm going to level my weapon like a shot or two. I think just once. I think I don't have enough. Oh, he might sell some stones, though.
This way, tarnished.
Dude, he might sell stones, bro. Oh, I think the guy at Lernia Lakeshore sell... Oh, I gotta talk to Cheeky Chicky. Seek God. Yeah, on PC, you got password. It will take a minute to catch up, though I don't have drop runes, so I gotta do the rune farm setup, and so you're level... I'm 34 right now, but, like, you're probably never gonna match me, because I don't know what I'm doing. We're gonna... The idea here is to get invaded while we go through the game and spin the wheel and decide whether the invader is going to get the honorable one fight 1v1, or if he's going to get a 2v1 not so honorable, or if he's going to in fact get a full-blown gank. Okay, he doesn't sell them. It's the next one that does. Okay, so we just come over here and, well, I'll get like one level on my thing or something. Strengthen armament. There we go. Okay, and I think once we get out of the big castle, then we can do the thing. At the merchant, I can buy some. Then we'll probably just run and get the bell bearing. Just run north and get the bell bearing right quick. You know what I'm saying? Here we go. Oh, item crafting. I'm making 32 of these things already, guys. That's what I'm talking about. These things are going to last forever. Yeah, so when can I get round table? Is it after I kill Margit? Or do I have to wait until after, Godfrey? There's one. Here they are. Josh. rip rip. Just rest and kill it. It'll trigger the round table hold. Yeah, just rest there, Lord Valinor. Like I can port there or something. Like, it'd probably be faster to kill both of these bosses than it would be to run to Caelid. Okay, I could go and get ported, I guess, and rest there. And but to be honest, the beauty of what you just said was, to me that's just way too far out of the way. But I didn't know that. Yeah, I did not know that. But what else triggers it? Or beat Margit and rest. Okay, beat Margit. That's what I wanted to hear. Just beat Margit. Not bad damage. I totally could solo this, guys. I'm no hitting it. Okay, well, he got me with the tail swipe. Well, okay, that could have hurt me too. Have a jump attack. Dude, he whipped one. Are you guys scaled down or something? Or are you guys just being chill? You guys are just standing and watching? Ha! You guys were just standing there. I love it. I got a talisman pouch. Might come in handy with for a little two-headed turtle talisman, straight out of the DLC, straight out of Compton, folks. Thank you guys. That was really fun. Now I'm going to go to the round table with my newfound talisman pooch, and I'm going to get the invader scenario, and then we're going to be good. We are going to be so good. It's going to be made of wood. It's going to be made of a simulated wood grain finish. We got a talker, folks. Go to the round table hold. Now, can I do the invader right away, or do you have to, like, wait until kill Fire Giant or something stupid? Take me to the freaking... Take me there, lady. What's the problem? Drink lots of water, guys. Lots of water. Okay. If I die in there, am I going to lose my runes in there? Just have to be good enough to beat it. Now I'm level 41, guys. I just went for it. I'm jumping off. This always kind of reminds me of like a, oh, it's closed. Wait. That's not the, that's the wrong one. Okay, guys, I have to buff up. I don't have buffs, guys. He got me. He did thorns. Dude, no matter how freaking far back I start that jump. No. I'm out of health pots. Yeah, I'm out of health pots. Oh, it's bad. I got the frost. I got the poo on me. I'm dead. Oh, dead! No! No! Dude, so greedy. I was so close. The light greatsword is great. Feels like having a milady at the beginning. Nice, Lord. No, I definitely got this. Like, if I had any money, it's gone now. Oh no, I have runes in my pocket. Let me just look here and see if there's anything that I'm missing. Purchase. Yeah, it's just member stone I don't need. There's no. I get a pouch for Godric or for Renala. Where do I get a pouch for, guys? I get a pouch for killing somebody. Do we just kill him this time, guys? I'm gonna get the jump on him for starters. Because, dude, I got 5 freaking... I gotta remember, I got range. Oh, I could allocate flasks too. Oh my god. Dude, I freaking hung up on the wall. And you got the frost poo on me now. I'm dead. Okay. I gotta show you. I gotta try him one more time. Ah, dang, was that you, Stevie? I gotta try this one more time, guys. Just one more time. I gotta stop being so greedy. I gotta go back to the jump attack thing I was doing, and I gotta allocate. We don't need any mana right now. Not level up. I need... oh, did I leave runes on the floor in there? No, probably not many, huh? Flasks. Increase. Okay, I didn't have that yet. Allocate. There we go. I had him, guys. I had him. I just gotta stop being greedy. We got this. I'm gonna do the jumping attacks were better, guys. The skill is fun. This may take... It may take a minute, Caleb. And there were runes. And I didn't get them last time. That's okay now. Yeah, you got a little bit of poo on me, that's for sure. Oh, I didn't think that was coming. No, don't do that. Don't do the skill. I hate when that happens. Oh! That was a trade. Dude, I got him with the heavy. No! It's a trade. I think I did more damage to him than he did to me. didn't read that. He should have. Dude, he dodged that, bro. Ah! He jump whipped it. That was cheesy. Son of a bee, dude. He's ripping me off on my heels. No. He'll kind of run into a freaking heavy. No! Ah, I'm going through the poop! Ranging nose. Warming stone? Do I have a warming stone? That'd be great. Ah! He's one hit. There are new backhand blades at the Two Fingers Merchant in the round table. That's what they were saying. Okay, we can go kill the next boss, guys. We can go kill the next boss. I'll come back for him. Maybe, are there like, are there ones in the castle? We can go grab a couple ones or something? I had him, guys. I can't believe I freaking choked that at the end. Dude, Josh. That is a little bit sickening, isn't it? Probably just run this or what? Dude, because we could be getting the naughty finger down. I have to go to him after Godric. I have to. We need to get the smithing stones. Well, after Godric, we can go get the bell bearing. And then I'll level my weapon and go back and kill that guy. That's the move. Tell me run to Godric. I got lots of armor on. I got a little more Vig now. I'm like way leveled enough to be in this area. I don't know what level they're supposed to want you to expect to go and kill that invader guy. Oh my god, no. Dude, these freaking health pots don't heal for shit, bro. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Get your stamina before you get to these. These guys are really making it hard on me. These guys are making it really hard on me, guys. Good thing I know the jump. Okay. Hey! Okay. You're dumb. As long as they don't block me. I hate when they block. Hey, cuckoos. Whoa. Okay, grabbing this. Will he hit me? No. Is there smithing? There's probably smithing ones around here, huh? Does anyone know there's smithing? I have to see what this is saying. Oh my god, I'm getting killed. I get to the grace. Someone keeps sending me text messages, and I don't mind who is doing it, except I'm not. I just got to be sure nothing's wrong. I don't understand this. And then I got to shut the ringer off, or the noise off on my phone. I'm not going to make a phone call, guys, okay? I just want to look at this and see who it is and if everything's all right. Okay, let me see. Oh, it's about the gig tomorrow. I wanted to ask if you'd be able to... Man, I don't have my means with me. Well, I have. God, it's like I don't have time to do all this right now. I can bring the monitor I'll see if I can bring a main. I have some, but they are heavy. Okay. There we go. Thank you, guys. That's about a gig I have tomorrow night, and that guy's not just a guy who's giving me work playing music, but he's a friend too. And he's asking me to bring some equipment tomorrow, and I'm like, I don't know if I have a main I can bring. I mean, my God, I got a kick in my neck right now, and and my mains, I haven't used them in a few years, and they're pretty freaking heavy. They're pretty freaking heavy. They're badass, but they're pretty freaking heavy. They're actually too heavy. Oh, look at this. And loot all Lily's, guys. Because every time you loot a Trina's Lily, a Godskin baby cries. No reason. Good. That was good. There was a stone there. Give me my turtle talisman stuff back. There we go. Hello, fellow Tarnish. Some of the new weps are goated. Tusaki, which ones, man? Like mine, like my big sword that came with my heavy dude. Resting. There we go. I don't think I got enough of those to go another level. Well, I don't need to worry about it right now. Inventory, I have one. I need like I think one more to get one more level on my sword. Between that, maybe a little more vig and strength, I could freaking totally take that dude out. Not on a date, guys. Take him out, meaning eliminate him, okay? Godskin baby cries. That's hilarious. Every time you loot either a hold on one second, guys. Okay, guys. Thank you. We're gonna kill the boss, guys. One sec. Man. You know how, like, when you're hungry, you can't even think about what's for dinner tomorrow night. When you're not hungry, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I just ate. What do you want to eat for dinner after you eat a big lunch? It's like, I don't freaking know what I want to eat for dinner. Oh, is there some over here? Well, I got such a freaking kink in my neck right now. I can't even think about lifting how heavy those freaking speakers are that I have. He wants me to bring one of my mains. And I can't even imagine moving one of those right now. Tomorrow afternoon I'll probably be fine. But right now it's like, yeah, let me see what I can do. I didn't want to lift a dolly. I didn't want to lift a freaking dolly. Sorry guys, we got this. Here we go. I got no buffs, guys. So I'm just going in. Do the drag thing. Leave my friend alone. I never should have done 2 jump attacks in a row, guys. Who the hell do I think I am? I'm the guy with the Great Jar's Arsenal and the freaking, Shut him down. There we go. Now, I say I go kill that freaking invader guy before we go get the other things. So that's a smithing stone 2. And I have 2 1s. I got all kinds of money. I got all kinds of money. So let me go back and just get that invader thing, and then we'll run and get the bell bearing. We'll run and get the bell bearing, and then that way I can level the weapons. Being I have to eat every 3 hours, you're not always trying to eat that often. Sometimes it feels like job more than anything. Dude, I'm telling you, man. I can't relate exactly to your situation, but I ate dinner tonight not because I was hungry, not because I was going to enjoy it. I ate dinner tonight because I had to stream, and I'm gonna get hungry. I gotta eat. You know what I mean? I do that a lot in the morning, man, before my chess stream, or in the early part of the day. Dude, I thought I just picked up 2, or at least 1, and it says I have 2. I guess so. I was getting 2s or something. Okay, well, still, I think I know where I can buy 2 more. I think I know where I can buy 2. You guys know, right? I can buy... Oh, and I can get an item from the Tarnished edition right here, too. At the merchant. I think the merchant, the Linernia, and I'm going to get a freaking... I'm going to get a light near Stormville throne room. Now that the boss is dead, just need one more ingredient. Death's Poker, Rune Farm, almost. Oh my goodness, it's hard to eat sometimes. Get that back brace thing. Yeah, get one of those back brace things. Now the speaker, man. It's like it's the kind of thing you're probably not going to want to put on a stand because it's kind of heavy. We used to put them on stands, but I had some pretty nice stands, and it would take 2 people to put the speakers up on a stand. It just was, they're just a little bit heavy. It was a mistake buying those speakers. Now, I have other speakers that aren't as heavy and sound almost as good, but they're at Brass Hall. They're at my open mic. I use them for my open mic. And I would then have to drive about 45 minutes out of my way. And ain't nobody got time for that. Raw Knife Resolve was broken as hell. Dude, why do you think it made the big bunk build completely busted, bro? I don't need that grace. Ooh, we're going to get a Sacred Tear, though. So that'll be good. And we're going to get a mushroom, so that'll be cool. Oh, it's not a mushroom, it's a flower, but I'll take that, too. Wait, there's a mushroom. I got the mushroom, guys. Everyone calm down. Guys, no matter how broke you are, how much of a hurry you are, you can always stop out and help a guy out. This is the least amount of runes transaction of any transaction in the game. Is that right there, guys? He's not asking for a lot of money, guys. I think he just wants the attention. You know what I'm saying? You know he's just going to go buy drugs with it. You know. Like, what? Like, all right, buddy. But this one's on me. This one's on me, sister. Right there. I knew there was something somewhere. That's a caster book. I don't need it. I'm a big bunking fool. Flower over here. I can't see it. Where's the flower? It's over here? Hey! Grab the grace. Talk to the guy. Get the stones. Going to buy scratchers. Dude, don't buy scratchers, man. See, to me... Ow! Wow, I just looked over there and hurt. It hurt. It's funny. Change speed appearance. Tree sentinel. Okay, good. The fact is, anybody... I don't recommend gambling to anybody, but it's all gambling, and anyone should be able to gamble however the hell they want, and that's true. But in my mind, scratchers are like a, like an evil, addictive type of thing. Whereas playing the super lotto, the regular lotto, to me, that's not as addicting. You know what I'm saying? Because it's like they don't have it every day. You don't just keep going back and getting another one. You know what I mean? When you win, you don't just spend it on. You know what I mean? It's like it's slower. And that's just, dude, but I'm dumb. I just rarely play the lotto, and I really, I probably in my whole life, I haven't bought a scratcher for 30 years, and before that, in my whole life, I might have bought 8 scratchers or something. I'm just not into scratchers. Not knocking scratchers. If you like to play scratchers, play them. I just hate to see people, you know, because it's a losing game, man. And it's like, if you don't have a lot of money, how could you play a game that, like, you lose 12 cents for every dollar you bet? How could you play that game? It's a bad bet. You know what I mean? I'm down now, but I won a lot. I believe you, brother. I believe you. And you know what? If you go buy your scratcher, I freaking hope you win like $1 million a year for the rest of your life. I've been debating on getting a Powerball ticket because I've been lucky as hell this past week, Scorn. Yeah. It's a move. The thing I like about Powerball tickets, but again, that's gambling too. But I like Powerball because I think we talked about it on stream not long ago. It's about the dream. It's about the dream. You drive for like $2. Is it $5 now? You drive away with a chance. It's a very, very small chance, and it's probably not going to happen. You drive away with an actual chance to change your life and your entire family's life and generations for the better, as long as, you know, people don't get stupid with it, right? Additional items required. I still need 3 more ones. Dude, this game is so dumb, bro. Okay, we're just gonna, you know what I'm gonna do now? Now I'm gonna go in. Now I'm gonna kill the invader so we can finally get some. I'm gonna kill the invader, guys. I got 1 level on the thing. Only time I got scratch tickets is at Christmas, and we will all. Yeah. No, it's a beautiful thing to buy someone a scratch off, right? For their birthday or something. Level up. Okay. I want to do more damage. If this weapon strength scales in strength and dex D for both of them, should I be leveling strength and dex equally? I'm at 24 strength. Should I put points in dex too? Probably should. Right? Because it helps the same way, but has the strength even hit the multiplier yet? Strength is... But why? because you get a 50. I'm not sure what that means. Strength is better till you hit 54. Oh, you get a 50% bonus for two-handing. There we go. Okay, and then wait. So I have a little bit more Vig, I have a little bit more strength, and I have a +1 weapon, and I almost killed him before. I don't need to overkill this. Let's just go freaking jump off the freaking off the thing and kill this guy. Wait. No, okay, good. I wanted to be sure that I didn't have any seeds to cash in. Okay. You tease me with the runes on the floor that don't even exist. Dude, I hung out because I was thinking I might need to, I was thinking I might need the stamina. Make him pay. Oh my god, I tried too hard to make him pay. Oh no, he whipped under it. You lucky SOB with that shot. Oh, he wasn't targeted. You roll that. Oh no! Oh, I thought it was gonna be the other one. He tried to millennium it. Now I got frostbite. Now he can one-shot me, huh? Now we get invaded. Okay, go into a few more minutes. Choosing death right bird. I don't understand. I really don't even understand what you're doing. Like, oh, because you made a new character. Right. The Christmas Scratchers is what got us hooked. Christmas Scratchers. That's awesome. Okay, do I get money for that? I probably got a little bit of money for it, but more importantly, I got this naughty thing for it, right? This one. There we go. And then, yeah, I think that's good. Yeah, so getting Death Poker plus storage fastest way to farm Grey Elf for runes. Okay. Now we go to... I mean, what level is my freaking weapon? What weapon do I even have? Hefty Scimitar plus 2. Do you guys want to run... You know what? Let's go do this first. Let's go do the cave. And the cave is called, you know the cave I'm talking about, right? That's for the that's for the 1 and 2 bell bearings, right, guys? 45 minutes till it releases where I'm at. The one that's over here, the one that's up. Oh, well, I can't even. Why won't it let me? Oh, it won't let me even look up there yet. What's it called? Yes, Crystal Tunnel. That's for the 1 and 2s, right? Meet me there because we'll put the, Dude, we're gonna get invaded. Well, I don't think we're even gonna get invaded. I mean, there might be people level 40 something with a +2 weapon. I'm grabbing this while I'm here. What happened with the crap? That was crazy. I was sweating. What are you talking about, Josh? Sweating what on that freaking invader? I was a little weak for him before, and he kind of kicked my butt and kind of embarrassed me in front of my stream. But I got better and took care of it here. Well, I kind of buffed up a little bit and just made it easier. Dude, there's been some crazy, gnarly freaking thunder and stuff outside. I wonder if my normal internet came back. Dude, this freaking hotspot is like insanely covering my ass tonight. It's insane. But we got to get some kind of PvP going on. This is kind of fun playing a character with the new horse skins. But now let me look at the map. I think we're on the right way. Oh, I gotta really be looking for flowers. Did I go too far? No, it's over here, right? I think I passed it. Did I go around the corner? I don't remember this house, bro. I passed it, huh, Josh? Did I pass it? No, it's pretty freaking far north, bro. It's around one of these corners. I feel like I'm lost in the desert. And I'm like, no, it's right over that next hill. No, I'm going down the ruin-strewn precipice right now, aren't I? I think I am. I passed it. I don't know what it... Well, I know where it is. It's funny, I decided to say F it and fight with the Sacred Blade, and now it decides to jump off. It's near the giant turtle, he says. Let me see. Well, I don't have anything on my map. There's a giant turtle, he says. It's near the giant turtle. But do I keep running? But see, I think this is... Yeah, that's the ruin-strewn precipice, I think. So it's over here, and it's going to be on the left. Further right. Did I go too far, Josh? Right or left? I've already spun, but did I go too far? Find the walking... Oh, the walking mausoleum. So... Oh, I got to go this way then? I don't see the walking mausoleum. That's a problem. It's not like right here or something? It freaking looks like it would be, bro. But it's not. There's just mushrooms aplenty. I feel like I ran too far west, man. Find the walking thing. I'm gonna find the walking thing, brother. It's not... This is not the hard part of the game. Yeah, too far. I went too far. I gotta go... Oh, this isn't it right here, though, is it? What is this spot? Oh, that's the spot where the secret flower is. Okay, it's actually not a bad thing picking up these flowers. Yeah, I should have got the map frags. I just thought, you know what? I could just come over here right quick. I pretty much know the route. And I won't pass it. So is it like, is the walking mausoleum on the other side? I thought it was past this bridge, though. but I think it's not. I think it's going to be up here on the left. It's just a simple... I'm curious to see if we get invaded, but I don't think we will, guys. There's the thing. Josh was right. Dude, there's a... Where does that go? I don't remember taking that as a utilitarian elevator anytime. It's not here. Josh said it was near the thing. It's going to be right over here on the left. I think there's a little cutout right here. Look at all the flowers we're getting now, guys. This is the flower farm. Yeah. Getting closer now. It's going to be tucked in here. I think I see it. Hey, guys. Welcome to 10 minutes ago. That's not a long time, guys. Wait. I got spun around because I couldn't see it. There it is. All right. And there we go. Let me get to the grace. I will summon you guys. We'll tear through this freaking place. I will level my weapon. And then we'll go do Rana la 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 la. And as soon as we have access to the next bell bearing, the 3 and 4, we need to go get it. That's going to be Altus, though, right? But we're going to have it. All we're going to do is kill it. We're going to be in Altus. We're going to be in Altus. Here we go. Summoning my friends. I got one. I got Josh. I think I lost Ripper. I think I lost Ripper at the 4th death at the freaking NPC Invader. Yeah, ton for sure, brother. It's the whole nature of the game. Ripper, you coming? It's going to be weird if there's only 2 of us, because what happens if we get invaded and then we try and spin the happy spinner? Ripper's AFK. He'll be back. Oh, Ripper's almost here. Oh, awesome. Good. Let me grab my water. One sec. This guy is interesting. He's born to fat roll. Dude, we're all different levels, man. Lord, that's what I'm saying. And by the time you get here, I might be a different level. Right now, I'm level 40 something. 43. These guys are probably level 150 or 200 or 225. I don't know what level these guys are. But it's my playthrough, so you're going to scale to me anyway. I don't think it makes a difference, man. These guys are way higher level than me. The armor reminds me of the Iron Gold in Dark Souls 2. Is that what it looks like? Yeah, yeah, he's Josh at 333. We're going to be out of Liurnia in a few minutes, man. We're going to run this thing, and then we're going to kill Renala, and we're going to go through the Ruin-strewn Precipice. And then we're going to freaking be in Altus. I should probably let them do most of the bonking. Just in case we get a somber, we could see EG. And I should grab all those stones, man, because on a new playthrough, you should probably grab every stone you can see. These stones are dumb, though, because I'm not going to use them for anything. Oh, this is the one. Is this the parkour? It is, and I think I should go get them, dude. You're going to hate me. You guys go ahead and clear. I know the parkour very well, guys. I'm really, really good at it. Okay, well, I'll just stay with you guys. We'll get the bell bearing. That was the main goal. I was just trying to get some free stones. Guys. I won't do that again. Yeah, Valinar, don't worry about it, man. I mean, like, but you made a new playthrough, right? So, like, here's the problem, Valinar. This is why Ripper and Josh didn't make new characters. Because if they did, we'd be back at Margit, killing everyone's Margit, and you're never going to be able to stay ahead or stay up. I mean, it's going to be difficult. You know what I'm saying? You might boogie because I got two freaking guys with chicken legs over here. You know what I'm saying? Like so you're probably not going to catch up. You're probably not going to catch up, brother. But it's okay if you do. You might catch up for one boss, but then it'll be like, oh, I couldn't make it to the next boss. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You don't want to do a new playthrough alongside my playthrough when I'm streaming. Doesn't work. It doesn't work. There's not enough. It's too hard to stay ahead. You know what I mean? Especially with these guys and their freaking chicken legs over here. Now I'm going to get us all killed because I'm going too far ahead. Get away from my team, bro. Am I getting in trouble for doing this? Yeah, Josh, if you could take him out, that'd be great. This is scary, this is scary, this is scary. Oh, tongue. Well, but you understand what I'm saying is like, I don't know how you might get to us on one boss, and you're welcome to fight a boss with us. We're invaded. We left Ripper up there. Equipment. It's just like I said, you know, because we're kind of taking a certain route, and we're kind of, you know, I think our record on a new character, like I made a new character. I think our record's like 1 hour and 36 minutes or something to finish the game. You know what I'm saying? Base game, not DLC. But so we're just kind of moving through. So if you have a higher level character and you want to jump in and kill a boss or something, but if you want to be working on your DLC stuff, probably don't worry about trying to meet up with us here, because it's gonna be tricky unless you're already ahead of it. Oh man, I didn't spin a thing. I'm gonna spin it even if we don't use it. Full gank. Full gank, guys. I clicked full gank. Josh hit him with the freaking fire. He didn't make it, folks. I gotta be quicker on the thing. Dude, I do very little damage to these guys. I do very little damage to these guys. Hey, it worked though. We spun the wheel and it said full gank. We were already in a full gank scenario and then we ganked the guy. So that, I call that a win. You work at a PvP character over the weekend. You can prep for it if we do meet up in the future. Oh, absolutely, Lord Valinar. Yeah, I mean, we don't normally make PvP builds. I don't know if these chicken wings are PvP builds. I mean, they're really naughty freaking weapons. I'll tell you that. I'm usually not PvP build, but we still. Did Ripper die? Did Ripper die? Am I supposed to go? Did Ripper say go without us? He could put it down at the door. I took care of it, Hair. Well, I mean, Josh kind of bonked the crap out of it. I don't have as many things as you do. I think I have one. I don't even have any. What happened to Ripper? Did that guy kill Ripper? Dude, we got invaded at level... We're going to get invaded, guys. We're going to get invaded at Renala. 1000%. Ripper died to NPC right after Invader died. Ah, okay. What happened? Okay, wait. Tra-la-la, ha-ha-ha. Is that what you're saying, Daniel son? Are you seeing that when you say tra-la-la, ha-ha-ha? Okay. I am going to leave my runes. I am going to go back to South Reliquary Gate. I'm just going to run and grab the key. I'm probably going to go level up my weapon a couple spots real quick. Yeah, you were running to the boss door. That's what I was... Jesus. I mean, sorry. Jiminy Christmas. Dude, 5K, bro. Now I got to deal with the Rune Bear. I swear the freaking... the jump key is broken. 1000%. Miyazaki remapped it. Look at that. They give my runes right there, bro. No Rune Bear for you. Let's try this again. Yeah, I'm sorry, Ripper. I kind of thought Josh was all buffed up, and I'm like, should I... Are we just going? We're okay, though. We're good. Got the water. I bet we get invaded in Renala's school. I bet we get invaded in Renala's school for sure, guys. LOSing is poopy. That was an easy boss anyway. They're all easy at this point, right? Which boss was that again? That was a boss? Oh yeah, it was the Bell Baron boss. Yeah. Yeah, that was an easy boss. I was thinking like main story bosses. Like Margit. It wasn't. Okay, we're gonna grab this for a later date because we're right here. Get out of combat from Glintstone Dragon Smayrag. Main Academy Gate. Yeah, make the whole run with me, guys. That sounds freaking fun. And we're gonna put the naughty tongue down and we're gonna get invaded because we're low level. Dude, you know what I should do on this character? Just stop him at 100, bro. Because we have a 150. But, like, I don't know if we're going to get summoned. I don't know if I can get summoned, like, or if I'm likely to get summoned at 150, like, for Fire Giant. But maybe at 100, I could go help people kill some Fire Giants. You know what I'm saying? Whoa. Yeah, or even lower, really, Josh. And one big thing, too, is the level of your weapon matters. And so, like, maybe I shouldn't level this weapon up to 10. Maybe I should stop it at, like, 7 or something. You know what I'm saying? 80. And what level for the weapon? +8 somber. Okay. Scoring says 25 minutes. +8 or +6. Okay. Now, I've got to remember, when we get invaded, I got to hit the button. Well, actually, it's not this button. It's over here, but I got to hit the button. and we have to find out how we're going to fight the invader. If we're going to 1v1 honorably, 2v1, or full gank mode like last time. That guy got full gank mode. It's not our fault. The naughty wheel told us what to do. Okay, moving forward. When you get the next... what do I get? A pouch for killing Renala? Or is it a pouch for killing Godric and I... And I could have just bought it from the crones. I don't remember, because I ain't trying to be overpowered, but I am trying to get my freaking. I'm trying to pick up some free talisman slots. I wouldn't mind an axe talisman for this build. A little bit of bonking. These things will kill you if they go into blender mode. Blender mode. I'm not touching the grace, guys. Touching the grace is for people that are afraid to die. There's an eclipse happening soon. Is it going to be visible if you have a clear view of the western sky? No, I'm just kidding. I don't know which way to look. I just know that. Do you have to have like special glasses or something, or? Level 80. That is so weird. Hey! I don't have hay yet. I probably do. I just gotta find it. I don't know where my things are. It's not the sun. No, no. So you don't need special glasses. So is it free or do you have to pay money? 40 minutes. Is that chess.com minutes? Oh, man. Why you gotta do that to me, Josh? Oh, that was Ripper. Oh, yeah, that's right. First playthrough. Get the money. Is there loot here, too, I gotta grab? Especially for this playthrough or something? Ooh, smithing 4, I'll take it. That's money. Do we need loot over there or no? Let's kill an orange dog, guys. What do you guys say we kill an orange dog? Dude, I'm not doing crap for damage to these guys, man. Oh, I was supposed to go level my weapon, bro. I never did. We can kill an orange dog, but I think after orange dog, I should go level my weapon. 1000%. Because I'm not hitting for much. Buff me! These guys aren't casters. Oh, they are casters. Ripper comes prepared, folks. Okay, I got this dog, guys. You guys don't have to zone in if you don't want to. Okay. I think I might have got the last hit, guys. I did not. Good job, guys. Okay. Now I'm gonna run back to the round table. I'm gonna level up my weapon at least a couple levels. Why did I do that? I'm gonna come right back and we're gonna go kill Renala. Leveling the weapon isn't bad. Oh no, we're saying. So what's +6? What's plus? I don't think I'm gonna get to the equivalent. +6 in smithing is like it's like 2.5 times, right?
The road is yet long. A god is not easily felled.
Isn't it like 2.5 times or something?
Have your wish.
Because it's like 10 equals 25. That's 2.5 times.
God in America.
So 2.5 times 6 is 15. There you go.